This video demonstrates the citation-based literature search system, PUREsuggest. You select some initial seed publications. Then, the system suggests related publications based on the outgoing references and incoming citations of these publications. It is based on public data provided by Open Citations and Crossref. The interface consists of 3 parts, colored differently. Let's load an example to explore how the system works. The built-in example is about finding publications about citation visualization, and some seed publications are already selected on the left. We can go through them and see details. Through keyword-based search, it is easy to add more publications. Citation and visualization are probably good search terms here. Indeed, the results are relevant. We can add the first one and then the second one too. Only after triggering an update, the selections get effective and lead to refined suggestions. We can now take a look at those suggested publications shown on the right. They are ranked through a score, which is computed based on incoming and outgoing citation links from and to the selected publications. Moreover, matched keywords lead to boost factors and ranking up particularly fitting publications. The top-ranked publications appear to be all good fits, so we add them to our selection. Again, the new selections get only considered for the computation of suggestions after an update. We can also change the keywords to steer the ranking towards even better suggestions. Maybe map is an unclear keyword in this context. Let's replace it. Instead, trend and temporal might be interesting directions to look at. To see related publications to the terms, we can switch to the citation network and first enlarge it. Hovering the trend keyword node, we see connected selected and suggested publications. The linked suggested publication appears promising, so we also mark it for our selection. To better explore the suggestions in the citation network, we deactivate author nodes and increase the number of suggested publications shown. However, we don't find another publication linked to our new keyword. Hence, we might rather want to try something different. A temporal perspective might be relevant to investigate. Switching to the timeline mode, we can easily inspect those newer publications with a higher score. Finally, we can see who are the most relevant authors in the collected literature. To this end, we switch off the suggested publication nodes, but blend in the authors again, and increase the amount of shown authors. We can learn their names and some information from the tooltip dialogues already. But to inspect the details, a click on an author nodes opens a ranked list of all authors. You can see who is related to whom and to which keywords. This concludes our brief walk through the main features of PUREsuggest. Now, you can try it out and start the literature search for your next paper.